My name is Torry, and I'm the owner of JTorry Makeup and Hair Artistry. So I've always wanted to own my own business, and I love painting on canvases. So later on, I decided to start painting on faces, and that's how I came about being a makeup artist. We do specialize in bridal hair and makeup, but we also offer makeup and hair for any other special occasion. My clients come in, I ask them a lot of questions, and I'm able to get a lot of feedback. Therefore, I'm able to create the look that they want.
Yay, Jenny! Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Oh, you're so welcome.
You guys, JTorry Bride.
Yes. Right here.